Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna make the following spring, so let's begin. First select the top plane, click on sketch, select the circle tool, click at the origin, drag it out. Now, select its dimensions to be 5 inches, in our case is 5.5, great. Click OK, select the sketch, extrude, surface, select the sketch again, and we will extrude it by 10 inches. Awesome. Now, click on the surface, select the drop-down menu and select Helix. Edit the tangent revolutions to 6 and they will appear here. Now click OK. Now, it's very important to find the beginning of this helix to be on this plane. So click on this plane, click Sketch and select the circle tool. Select this point by pointing at it and draw our diameter of the helix wire. Now let's make it 1 inch. Click OK. And now we will use the sweep tool. Sweep. Sketch that we want to sweep. And the sweep passes our helix. Great. Click OK. Now you can go ahead, select and hide the surface. Here we go. This is our spring.